morning, dears. Today we will do in algebra class exercise 11.4. Last day in life class we have completed exercise 11.3 and there was no doubt already as we have discussed. So we'll begin with exercise 11.4 today. Here you have to multiply binomial with binomial. Till now we were multiplying monomials with the binomials, trinomials and polynomials, is it? Till now you have learned like this sums. 3x, 4x plus 2y plus 3z. So this monomial was multiplied with trinomial. Now in this exercise 11.4 we are going to multiply binomial with binomial. You may have the sums like that. 3x plus 4 multiply with 5x minus 3. So you can see both are having two terms, 1, 2, 1, 2. So we'll be multiplying binomials to binomial, binomials to trinomials. Like this, then this side you have 3x square plus 5x minus 9. So like this sums we are going to multiply. Binomial to binomial, binomial to trinomial and so on. Okay. So how to do it? It's a very simple here. Just you have to be little bit careful. Let us see number 1. It says find the product and the question is given x plus 8 into x plus 5. Sorry, x minus 5. Now, what we have to do, if you are comfortable enough, you start from x, x into x, x square, x into minus 5, minus 5x, 8 into x, 8x. Now 8 into minus 5, minus 40. Now you can see these two terms are like term. So what we are going to do, we are going to merge it up. Minus 5 plus 8 gives you plus 3x minus 40. If there is a confusion, or x plus 8 into x minus 5. So we'll take x from here and full x minus 5 here. Then plus 8 from here, already x is taken. Now plus 8 I have taken, then full x minus 5. The meaning is the number is multiplied with x as well as with 8. So the same thing I have written, x into x minus 5 plus 8 into x minus 5. Now you see x into x, x square, x into minus, minus 5x, 8 into x, 8x, plus minus minus, 8 5s are 40. Or you merge it. Did you get the same thing? It's the same. Here I have expanded and here I have done directly multiplication. So this line is not done here. So it's up to you. If you are confident enough, comfort enough, you go straight. If not, write the number, write the algebraic expression in this way. Monomial to binomial. Here it was binomial to binomial. That is written as one term to two term. One term to two term. Then finally multiplied. Is up to you. There is no confusion. There is no problem if you expand and write. And if you are okay with the first one, you go. Actually, you have to follow the first one. Every time you cannot use this. If you go to the higher classes, you have to use the first one. Every time we are not going to show this one. Is it? But okay, in initial stage, you can practice. Further, it will be okay. Let us see number 2. It is given 3x minus 8 multiplied with 5x minus 1. So 3 5s are 15, x into x, x square. Now 3x into minus 1, that gives you minus 3x. Now minus 8 into 5x, minus 8 5s are 40x, minus 8 into minus 1, minus minus plus 8. Or 15x square minus 43x plus 8. You can see number 4. 5a square minus 4b square. 1 by 5a, 1 by 4b. Now you see 5a square into 1 by 5a. What does it gives you? 5 is cancelled. Is it? Now 5. Okay, write in that way if you have confusion. 5a square 1 by 5a minus 1 by 4b minus 4b square 1 by 5a minus 1 by 4b. Now 5a square into 5 will cancel, it will be a cube. Now this gives you minus 5a square b by 4. Come here, minus 4b square a by 5. Now 4 will cancel, then this will be minus plus b cube. Now this is not a like term, so we'll leave it as it is it? So this way we solve. Then see number 5. 3p square plus q square, p square plus 2q square. Now 3p to the power 3. 3 2s are 6, p square q square. Now q square p square, that gives you q square p square and 2q to the power p to the power 4 is a 4. Now 3p to the power 4, 6 plus 1, 7 p square q square plus 2q to the power 4. So this way we just multiply and then which is in the like term we put together, is it? Then see question number 6. (4a plus 3b by 5), 3a minus 4b by 5. Now 4a into 3a. So 4 3s are 12a square. 4a, 4b. 4 4s are 16ab by 5. Now 3a, 3a. 9ab by 5. Now plus minus minus. 3 4s are 12b square by 5 5s are 25. Is it? Now 12a square minus 16ab plus 9ab. So this gives you minus 7ab by 5 minus 12b square by 25. So this is question number 6. Similarly, number 7. X by 2 minus x square by 3 multiplied with y square by 9 minus y by 7. So x into y, x y square, 2 9s are 18. Come here, minus xy, 2 7s are 40. Come here, minus x square, y square, 9 3s are 27, minus plus x square y, 3 7s are 21. Everything is in unlike term, so we are not going to add it up, is it? So like this you have to multiply up to question number 10 you finish. Complete up to 10. Next day we will be solving next exams. Till then, keep practicing. Thank you, dears.